welcome back to Signature Series Rigs. We still got the Milkman on the trailer, or should I say we got the Milkman back on the trailer. We've attempted to start it, and it appears the 305 is locked up, which, you know, sitting for 12 to 14 years, kind of to be expected. But nonetheless, we figured, why not do what they say can't be done, and buff it in 90 degrees in the bright sun. Seriously though, we're gonna wash it, and we're gonna see if that old paint will polish back up. We're not worried about perfection, so we are gonna do it out here. We've got a couple old pads that are really no good anyway. Paint's dead, so we're gonna give it a shot. I'd say that the Milkman here came out pretty good. The goal here was certainly far from perfection. We really just wanted to see how good the paint would come back with some buffing compound and a buffer. Overall, I'd say it came out pretty darn good. Now yes, will it probably look like spinnerbait down the side? Maybe. Could we polish that out? Probably, but that's not the plan here. Right now, the Milkman has a locked up 305. We checked that this morning. It is locked up. So we might pour some oil or something down on the cylinders and try to free it, but I also have another truck we're going to pick up that's got a good running 350 in it. And we're trying to decide if we want to go ahead and put the 350 in here with the new wiring harness, because every time you grab a wire in there, it literally crumbles apart in the engine bay. Why? I don't know. Maybe it's just age. But nonetheless, hope you all enjoyed this quick little video of a outside 86 degrees buffing in the sun on a potential parts truck, but nonetheless. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more on the Milkman.